Ebusuya Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia policy bi ate so de ba beto abonten no ebusuya wote a wo yam kura be hye wo kire say Dr. Mahmood Bawumia nyansan wura adwen nyina wura e de policy bi abeto abonten a policy no say o man we fa na say o man we edi so a I can promise you say less than 1 year unemployment issues no e be ka ate de wo for bia be de adwuma because the oppressor or here no any the oppressor be boa o man Ghana na ebusuya e say woni ensa wo ka kire wonim say nsem bi wo hono mo a me be ka kire wa enye de enu nti na wo say kokko tie e de free the horses mouth in some no send you sika no ene send ye nipa esi achechire mama nipa tie ase na me yesi osesa wo tie ase mo ewia you would know the reason why you should vote Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia as the flag bearer of the new patriotic party and the next president of the Republic of Ghana coming 2028 December 7th. Ahanom Ghana and Sem TV meeting at the promise the blogger message says oba like it share na wachi na wadwin e wo comment section no afa me ne wo kọ ne ko tie nsem a Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia odi atodwa yinua be ma e ba ko ye dwuma NGO TV abekire mu e de ama Ghana fo nyina se ne be ya e beti Dr. Mahmood Bawumia the policy no ase yie pa yenko ko tie enfamra
aso tie na o se enkrofo edi EV buses aba electric buses no mo de aba sa company na say they have access to over 10,000 small vehicles that are electronic. Now, almost percent commodity Ghana, but say they show them say all they want is a private public partnership. Now say abine otimi baso na me ya adum no be president. Almost the 10,000 small cars neighbor. So Brakwam, you see, I want us to be very objective with this. Now say 10,000 cars no mo de ba. Omo anka say be see omo electric charging areas. Port solar enti se oba aka na ma obi wetu Ghana card na uchechi an kakra se work and pay because na Ghana card ntumi nwane and ya monitor mobile money ni obi bia ti bosom ye no ane se at source omo beti de wo se otua
ya monko kire prophet wa mu nkire mu
da bi obra kwa me no na owi o se charging site ne kra de o kan ye me den so se charging site no okwa wo mfa cash ne betua wo o se you just scan your card unya scan ya no wa charge okona na ate free mobile money so na bra kwa me vice president say calculation be give me 1 minute let me do this calculation or say amount for see we be up san
because
na sa apps no ye hu mfa so we economy nim. Then he said say Uber a minimum of 200,000 yemfa ne say omoye a minimum of 200,000 rides every day. Omoje 25% into the yemfa ne say omoje 5 cedis per ride. Which means that every day they are making 1 million Ghana cedis. Yemfa is said 300,000 overhead cost. It means every day Uber makes a profit of 700,000 Ghana cedis, which translates to 21 million Ghana cedis every month. So 21 million Ghana cedis no $1.3 million every month. In a year, it is $15.7 million. Now there is Uber, there is Yango, there is Bolt. So we are talking of averagely $50 million to be repatriated out of Ghana every year. Now says no ka Ghana ha. Number one, your dollar no improve.
Dr. Bawumia na ebu sangutan.
Yeah. Okay. Now number two. Mebo. Now say number two. Now say number two. Says can ka kwame na anima dia eye me yapano. Osase sa music streaming app no. Young fan say in Ghana 5 million people stream music every day at 10 cents. $500,000 a day. You're talking of $15 million a month. $180 million a year. Now, as a creative art industry, if government was making 180, no, Mokas Yenimu Beche 50 million, 50%. It means we are pumping $90 million into the creative art industry every year through our app. Most app ni huni mfaso. Na oni msa beba. Ba ni mbra kwa me. Sa ni pano kansa asem ni chwe tu ano di akugu YouTube. Say Emaniska. Bra kwa me, do you know that time a Jay-Z no more form app a friend Tidal? No mo say Apple Music wo Boom Play wo ni ade inti Tidal na nye adwuma. Do you know that currently in the world they control 20% shares of music streams every and they make over $3 billion every month? Oh na say be nkrofo nte saa de we ase it imagine say every year $90 million were going to our musicians someone check na munyusu
o ka se ri agro ba share
Brother, nipa ni abio
adwene no
o kan wo de no obi kan de a ye be so ansan hwede o kan
for no money mi ni paso mo chese o money abi se ye bi na ye nkase
no brother, this calculation the vice president made, let us say it is not true. You are here.
Who can say it's not true?
Ubanye 25%.
Omoje no it's so
Ubani car where's your bro electric vehicle
okay wa he
said akwada
so on no somehow come on
that be on Dr. Bawumia kano
sure
me ya say to da omun documenting the videos ne short manenko because the kind of things the man is saying you see enye nkuko nkete ni me on out me ka say nipa 10,000 ye be phone no amamo no ma to pan no ma to meet na hwan ato adi
na nkuko no zia obi a ogugo ni bia me koto me ko hia na hwan ato
bra kwa me ani abro
because
now I've been telling you guys when it comes to policy a bit impacting nipa brabo policy a bit me asesa nipa brabo ma Ghana for timamufo anya dwuma ya Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia stands tall compared to the other candidates on your running for the MPP flag bearership race, and that's a position. When you listen to this policy, all come once and the money it can generate for this country and the kind of work bet me provided for the youth of this country, bro, it is mind busting. Now, electric cars. Someone said, "Oh, the kind of electric cars need biaba." Buses, juma. Now, one person wouldn't get why it is a Uber. And says, "I say, Crano, say, oh, Accra, won't say, Binam Chrome electric cars and get where they do Uber boats, Binam Chroma juma." Now, when you're there, but the government is going to be the one obey Jinemu Ediama with the citizen. All you need is to go with your Ghana card. Now, I work and pay. Now, you will link your mobile money, your bank, and your Ghana card. When you say a link data, so they will have access to that. Now, let's say every month you pay 3,000 or you pay 2,000 or you pay 1,005. You are not the one to deposit the money to them. The month they will deduct it straight from your bank account or your momo. They allow someone to they will deduct it from it. What I say? And now with your Ghana card, it is very easy for them to trace you with your number. And remember, those cars will be having tracking system in their cars. No, there will be tracking system in the car. There will be cameras and share car. So wherever you are, they will know. They can track you, and so they will know where to find you. Now, say Ebasana is going to, because also over 1,000 electric cars now somebody can do, but that's the first batch. Second batch another 1,000, third batch another 1,000. Now they are going to also come and build their own charging station with powered by solar. And you don't need to pay money before they charge it. They will give you a card, so you go, you just scan your card, you charge it, you go. Automatically they will deduct it from your mobile money or your bank account or they are linking. Simple as ABCD. This is what we call policy. This is what we call say on man penini bi bibi dia bwane man. And that's the reason why I say policy Dr. Mahmood Bawumia Kitano in policy Kitano. Now listen to the amount of money be generated, because Uber commissioner you chama over 25% my Uber da. Me my Uber da. Na me Uber driver. And son and baby jai. I'm Baba start to say me broadcasting and I'm here blogging no. So na me Uber, na me yangu, na me boats. Let me treat, because me want to personal car and you will be car. Me want personal car the year Juma, and I know the commission say you try them these people. The amount of money I'm generating in this country in a year, no, and not even a month, and bro, and so when you and so catch you, and those SAS can never see but on mine one, and you bet me the buy ya coin, you bet me the schools, papa, hospitals. And this is the kind of person that was lead your mind, because he knows what he's talking about. He understands governance. He understands how you make impact on people's life. And you're more and say those things does not develop the country and does not develop people's life. You can have all the money in the world, But if someone my scanner one is not adding anything to people's life, it is useless. It is useless. And see, we say, we delegate and I'm a slow. Namia Duma 31st of January 2026. So I got to Abamana. To a band farmer doctor like Mahmoud Bawumia. No, no, boy. Because said my way, say a honor more, and at least even one delegate be a Quenya Canada corner. And I say be a one electoral area piano. But Quenya be one of the year Juma. At least Mube will say, oh, the government is doing something, it's going to help all of us. Tears wrong. Then you do a moment about my doctor. Alias Mahmoud Bawumia. Hi, Ghana SMTV. With the just any promise. But that's what I'm to say. Now, see me.